Hi, this is our CCS1 65 kilowatt hours capacity and 60 kilowatt DC portable fast charger. This is CCS1 usually for North America's market. Okay. We're going to show how to charge the car. First step, we turn on the charger, the key switch here, turn it on. Okay, now the system is initiating. This is Korea language. We can customize into different language like English, Spanish. Okay, now it's initiating. Wait for around. Wait for 20 seconds. 拍吧，你用我的手机拍。不能现在拍，等你拍完了之后再拍。OK。哎，这现在嘞？Okay, now from the screen we can see the system already starting. The next step, we insert the charging gun to car. This is CCS1 adapter. So we use adapter from CCS1 to GBT to test to Chinese. Insert the charging gun. All right. Okay, now it's connecting the charger. Okay, now our system is on. We can see the initiating light here. 然后是要开这个。Okay, we turn on the adapter here. Click to turn it on. Okay, now the adapter is on. And then we go to the touch screen here to start the process to charging. 然后嘞？然后嘞？那个车。Okay, click charging. 这是什么意思啊 ？Please switch card. 他说请刷卡。Okay, now it's formally start charging. Now it's handshaking between charger and car. We wait for around 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, now we can see the charging voltage. Oh, okay. Now we can see the charging current is getting up. All right. 78. 最大是多少安呐？